Now in this video, we will learn how to insert and delete row and column. First, to insert a row or column, directly right-click on the row number and choose Insert option. Similarly, to insert a column directly, right-click on the column name and choose Insert column option. To insert a new column, right-click the whole column to the right of where you want to add the new column. Now to insert a new row, right-click the whole row above which you want to insert the new row and then click Insert Rows. Now again, if you have selected a cell and right-click on that, a dialog box will appear. It will ask whether you will select row or column. However, I want to insert entire column now. Similarly, you can insert entire row using this dialog box. Now coming to deletion. First, to delete a row or column, directly right-click on the row number and choose Delete option. Similarly, to delete a column directly, right-click on the column name and choose Delete column option. Again, if you have selected a cell, a dialog box will appear. It will ask whether you will select row or column. However, I want to delete entire column now. Similarly, you can delete entire row using this dialog box. Another shortcut key to insert a column is Alt-I-CC, and another shortcut key to insert a row is Alt-I-RR. Now instead of a single column, if you wish to insert 5 continuous columns, you need to select 5 columns starting from E to I and right-click on it and choose Insert Entire Column. Similarly, we can insert 3-4 continuous rows by right-clicking on it and choosing Insert Entire Row. So, why have I inserted this row? I want to put a title as Student Record. Now I will select the row only from A to M, which is containing some data. I did not select the entire row. Now to bring the title Student Record in the center or middle, go to Marge and Center of Home tab. Here you can easily see that the title Student Record appears in the middle. Now let's consider border of Excel. For that, first I am selecting the entire cells containing some data. Choose All Borders option. There are many types of borders like top, bottom border, left border, right border, etc. Why all borders is required? When we press Ctrl P for printing, it is just showing that much of data which is bordered only. Now, if we undo it, that is remove the border, the data is appearing but the lines are not visible while printing. All borders are actually grid lines in Excel. Grid lines are the horizontal and vertical gray lines which helps to highlight the important information and read the data in an organized manner.